Intelligent Drilling Jumbo are divided into two series. 1. Rock Burst and Gas Outburst Prevention Intelligent Drilling Jumbo, special for impact ground pressure and gas mines. Professional research and development for coal mine impact ground pressure governance, can drilling 30 meters depth once. Deep Hole Intelligent Drilling Jumbo, used for deep hole pressure relief drilling parallel coal seams and rock exploration and drainage construction, can drilling 100 to 300 meters depth. Man-machine separation, one-key automatic drilling. The machine has two control modes: line of sight wireless remote control and remote control of underground chamber or ground dispatching room, and remote audio and video synchronous transmission. Intelligent analysis and display of drilling and equipment parameters. Automatic loading and unloading drill rods, drill rod warehouse manipulators, support plates, rod manipulators, and main engine independent connection. Closed-loop program control, mechanical limit, high reliability, adaptive drilling, independent judgment of working state, active selection of optimal action, timely reverse, prevent holding drill, stuck drill, teeth embedded drill pipe, reverse locking, positive positioning, dry drilling, high power discharge rates. Switch between automatic drilling and undrilling at any position. Effectively solve the problem of forming holes. Spray dust to improve the working environment. The tooth claw is engaged and separated, and the front and rear sliding tooth claw cooperates with the internal locking lock cylinder, the gripper, the rotary spindle, and the control system to realize the reversal without losing the rod and reduce the drilling cost. Automatic unloading rod, drill pipe storage manipulator equipped with automatic cruise function. The automatic drilling and tripping functions can be activated at any position to improve the drilling efficiency. The CMS-1 series fully automatic drilling rig developed by Jikai Tech has a number of patented technologies. The technical achievements have reached the international advanced level as recognized by the China Coal Association.